Good morning, my wonderful people. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I really do. Like, genuinely, I pray for, my followers, for my people, for anybody in my life that I feel like they need prayer, or I just feel like praying for them. On that note, I want everybody to succeed, man. I want you to freaking succeed, because so many people out there don't want to see people succeed. They don't want to see you fly higher than they could fly. They don't want to see you swim further than they could swim, and they don't want to see you make progress more than they've made progress. Well, I've had a humbling thing come to me one time, and it was like, look, man, you can't compare yourself to other people. When it's your time, it's your time. The only thing you can focus on is your time. So with that being said, guys, I just want to get on here and I want to let you guys know, like, it might not be happening for you right now. It doesn't mean it's not gonna happen for you. It's probably gonna happen. You just gotta have a little more faith instead of worry. Worry's what gets us in the end, man. Worry's what bites us in the butt and conflicts our mind of thinking like it's not gonna happen. But you have to have that little sliver of faith. Just a little bit, just a sliver, a mustard seed, God says. Like, you've gotta have that faith. You gotta have faith that things will work out. And it might take longer than you think having that faith. Like, God's just not going to be like, okay, you got faith, I'm going to give it to you. Like, it's got to be years of progress of believing and having faith before you really start reaping the benefit, I feel, of it. But maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm crazy talking, because that's what I do. I talk crazy. But I want to get on here. I want to tell you guys how much I love and appreciate you, everything you're doing. I'm getting ready to start this big 18-inch job by myself. So stay tuned. I can't wait to bring you guys with me on it and show you. Well, we've kind of already started, but I haven't started bringing you with me on the journey yet. So I'm excited about it. It's kind of like the first big pipe gig I get to bring you guys on and kind of showcase. It'll probably be a while before we put out the videos. But yeah, I want you guys to know that I'm thinking about you. I haven't forgot about you, but I gotta stay consistent with the content to let you know I'm still here. Because everybody falling off when they see that you get busy. It's crazy. It's like, I get so busy in life and I'm not able to return phone calls or text messages or whatever it is in the case, and people just fall off left and right. That's okay. They can fall off, man. I'm gonna stay consistent. I'm gonna keep climbing. I'm gonna keep focused on my goals. I went to lunch yesterday with a friend and kind of explain like my whole scenario of what I got planned and got going on. Like, I'm not afraid to admit I'm not in the oil and gas anymore. I'm doing my own thing, and it's gonna be a minute before we get that school up and off the ground and running, but that's my goal, guys, and it's not for a second am I gonna let it die. No, that vision, that dream is so raw in my mind, and what I have entailed to teach you guys is gonna be unmatchable. Nobody's gonna be able to do what my brain has in store for you. All right, with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great day. It's Friday. You either got paid yesterday, or you're getting paid today, or you stay paid every day. Yeah, the life of a rig welder is a paper chase game. We chase the paper until we pile up enough, and then we settle back and sit back. But for most of you guys trying to get in the oil industry, because you're always constantly asking me how to get in the pipeline, I'll tell you what, guys, you got to go for it. That's how you get there. You got to get out there and go for it. You can't sit on your couch and sit on Instagram and keep asking people how to get in the oil field. You got to go out there. You got to meet people. You got to make it happen. It's on you. It's not on anybody else. If you want anything in life, it's on you, man. You can't expect your girlfriend, your wife, your dad, your mom, your sister, your boyfriend, anybody to get it for you. You got to get up every day and get it yourself, man. I make this money. This money doesn't make me.